Yep.
Hi-ho! Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We had a little bit of an issue today with Facebook, as seems to be pretty slow at the moment. So we've just had to change now to another gadget, so I can do this video now with a different type of mobile phone which I'm normally using. I hope you guys can hear me. I will now try to connect as well my microphone. Hold on a second, please. There we go. Okay, I hope this is working better now. Well, again, welcome to the second virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are in Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are in Garden 11, and I'm showing you today a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on this garden. It's the apartment 1155, which is a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here located in one of the nicer gardens here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. I'm just showing you here the terrace, which is quite ample. We have just installed here kind of a dining table situation so that you can see also the dimension of the terrace, and just let me walk around to give an idea of how this looks like. So as many of these terraces, they are all more or less the same size. Here we have as well a fitted barbecue installed, as you can see. It's quite a nice location here. We are over there, as you can see, is the community pool. It's one of the smaller gardens on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, which also means that also this garden is kind of a family situation. So it's quite nice. On our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this apartment under the reference 3622, and the asking price is only 84,000 euros. And, well, in other words, I think we should have a look in the inside. Sorry. As we said, it's a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, and you see already that today we are doing it in landscape format instead of portrait, just to give you an idea how this looks like. We have installed a poll on Facebook where you guys can give us an idea of what you would prefer. So that's today what we are doing is landscape. The last one we did last week is portrait. So what we want to know now is from you guys, what's the better way to showcase the apartments? Is it landscape or is it portrait? Okay, well, this is the living room. I have to apologize for the quality of my video today. It's slightly different to what we are normally using. But as I said, normally the smartphone I'm using is, in my opinion, maybe presenting slightly better pictures than this one, but it's what it is. It didn't want to start on my phone, so that's where we are. We are now actually in the master bedroom. The property comes as seen, means that all the decoration and all that is included together with the furnishing. Obviously, the owners will take out their private and personal stuff, but otherwise it's sold as seen. Asking price, as we said, is only 84,000 euros. And I do see already the problem here also with the landscape. Now that we can't really display the height of the room, we do see a little bit better the width, but it's very difficult for these smaller rooms to showcase as well the dimension of the room. Okay, let's see. Yes, this will be going as well on our YouTube channel. It will be uploaded with one or 2 hours after the show. It is also uploaded to the Quality Homes Costa Calida YouTube channel, where you find not only this, you find nearly all of the virtual open houses we have executed over the last year. Okay, so Anna says it's within 24 to 48 hours. So, okay, there you go. Better information from my team than from me. Not to say as always. Fine. We are on the back terrace now, and as you can see, there is enough space to have here a cup of tea or a gin and tonic in the afternoon, as the sun goes down exactly over there, straight on. So that's where the sun goes down. So in the afternoon, that's maybe a very nice spot to stay. We are here on the inner ring road, and opposite there we have the golf course. Well, the golf course situation you all know about is still not solved, so we're still waiting for the owner of the golf course to finally fulfill the promises they made, and the golf course will be back on track in March or April Well, they said March, April. They didn't really tell us the year, so we are now slightly doubting about will it be really in 2022. But fingers crossed. I mean, we're still positive now. That's what we should be. There we go. So we are back in the master bedroom, and as you can see, the back terrace is connected to the master bedroom. We are now looking into the second bedroom, as well fitted with 2 single beds, bedside table, and as all bedrooms as well fitted with fitted wardrobe. Well, this doesn't work well. So each bedroom as well has its own fitted wardrobe. We continue with the bathroom, which obviously contains, well, it might be boring, but it always contains the same stuff which we need. It means we have a bathtub, we have a glass shower screen, and all other necessary mod cons for a bathroom. There is an extra fan and this double lighting one above this mirror and on the ceiling. Then let's continue. The kitchen is as well fully fitted. We have a dishwasher here. There is a big fridge freezer, as well as microwave, toaster, kettle, yeah, the normal stuff. Cooker, oven, extractor fan. Yeah, complete kitchen. The washing machine is in the back, is installed outside on the terrace. So we have here the dishwasher, which is quite handy. And apart from that, we have a fully furnished apartment here, as we can see, with a massive L-shaped couch and a dining arrangement over here. Then we go to the third bedroom. As we see here, that's a bunk bed. So it's a double at the bottom and a single on top of it. So the property actually sleeps 7, because the third bedroom is equipped with 3 beds to say. Maybe rather a kid's room, but it would sleep at least 7, which is quite nice. So, having said that, we do see the property fully equipped and furnished, obviously owned by a family. They've been here quite frequently. I have no idea, and I don't think that this apartment was rented out very often. It doesn't look like. There are not a lot of signs of wear and tear. So to me, it looks rather, as it has not been really rented, it has been rather used for the personal use of the owners and maybe their friends and family. Coming back out on the main terrace again, we are today on Jardín 11, so Garden 11 in the apartment 1155. Quite a nice number. On our dedicated webpage, Quality Homes Costa Caleda, you do find this property under the reference number 3622, and the asking price is only 84,000 euros. Location-wise, we are close to the car park as well, as we are within walking distance to the pool, obviously, because the pool is just over there. The nice thing is that we are not that close to the pool. This means we also don't get all the noise maybe and havoc created in the pool sometimes, so that's quite nice. As well, with the property there comes a dedicated parking lot, which is pretty close, just here around the corner. As you see, there is my car over there, so 3 cars or 4 cars further, there is the parking lot for the 1155. As we said, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com, you do find this apartment on the reference 3622, and the asking price is only 84,000 euros, sold as seen. Hola, Darren. Hope you're okay. So, that's where we are. Darren, I think it's your garden, no? Yes, must be. I think you're also on 11, somewhere around here, no? Okay. So, we are going back to this apartment, to the 1155, reference 3622, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. And as I said at the beginning, we are actually running a poll regarding how we should present our virtual open houses. Should it be rather landscape or portrait? You find the poll on our Facebook page, and I can only invite you to participate, to give us your opinion, what you guys think, what's better. Shall we do it as portrait or as landscape? You can do the comparison when you go on our YouTube channel, for example. You find nearly all of them are done in portrait. So in case you want to watch one of the old ones, or just the one from last week, which was also done in portrait, maybe you can give us a hint or help us to decide how shall we continue. We have more changes in the pipeline, so next week I will surprise you with another change or another improvement of our virtual open house. We are still working on it because this will be a very nice thingy. So stay tuned. There might be something in for you as well. So stay tuned. Tell your friends. There is something going on in the virtual open house. So I can only recommend to watch us as well next week, 5 o'clock p.m. Spanish or Central European time, which means 4 o'clock in the UK and on the Canary Islands. Yeah, reference 3622 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostarcalida.com, where you do find not only this wonderful property, but you also find many other properties on Condado and on other golf resorts, new build, second-hand, bank repossessions. That's all what Quality Homes is doing. In case you own a property on site and think of letting it on a long-term basis, please get in touch. We have a waiting list with vetted clients and we are desperately in need of finding more long-term apartments. So in case you think of renting or you know somebody who has an apartment on site and is not using it, just push them our way, please, because we have, as I said, a waiting list for vetted clients. We are managing about 150 long-term rentals on Condado at the very moment. So we have a little bit of experience. We know what we are doing. We're doing it since nearly 25 years here in Spain. So get in touch with us, please. I can assure you professional attention. We have one staff member, which is Eva, only dedicated to this topic. Having said that, having made a little bit of advertisement for qualityhomescostarcalida.com, there is many things going on at the moment also on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. New on the market, in case you think of investing in Spain and starting your own business, we can offer now the former Sofia unit, which is the restaurant in the corner at the Kasar. For more details, please inquire with me directly. That's Rupert at qualityhomescostarcalida.com, and I can be of help for you to find you the right spot in case you want to open a business here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Okay, having said that, I just show you again the inside of this apartment, and as I said before, please use our poll to tell us what's best. Is it portrait or is it landscape? We are doing it today entirely in landscape, and to me, honestly, it's not really showing what it shows as portrait, because it's not that easy to display now the entire room as I normally can as a portrait. Landscape is not giving me the same possibilities, but still, up to you. Please help us and answer the poll and participate in helping us to get this sorted. Having seen the living room, we're continuing with the kitchen, as we said, fully fitted with cooker, oven, extractor fan, dishwasher, and fridge, freezer. What I don't see here, yes, there is no water filter. So obviously, as you know, each property purchased through Quality Homes Costa Calida gets a free drinking water filter. We just installed this week, I would say, about 15 new filters, and there's still about 15 to go. So shows also a little bit of what we have sold over the last month. We are in the master bedroom, reference 3622, apartment J1155 on Garden 11 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Sold as seen, decorated, fitted, and there are many items which I have to point out. It's just this feature wall here, for example, which is really nice and makes the room even bigger, I have to say. So there's really some nice decoration ideas in here. We are back on the back terrace. Here we go. Coming back to light. So behind the bushes here, we have the golf course. We just mentioned the situation of the golf course, so we are all hoping that this is going ahead as planned. Otherwise, I'm just showing you now the views from here. As we said, the sun is going down over there, so that's a beautiful sundown terrace to say. In summer, you still can decide, do you go in the sun or do you stay in the shade, as this property provides both possibilities to you. Well, second bedroom, here we go. I will not mention the mirror today because I've been told off mentioning always the mirror, so I will not continue doing that for the moment. They won't find out later on, so I'll promise I'll be back with the mirrors. Bathtub, glass shower screen, and all other mod cons. Another mirror. There we go. And the third bedroom, as we said, a bunk bed with double bed underneath, a single on top of it. And as well, hidden here is Anna, but I'm not allowed to show her today because she's not really feeling well. So I'm not allowed to show really a lot of Anna today, but she's here. Yes, as always, not included in the price. Price, 84,000 euros. Ha, ha, ha. What a funny joke, I know. Okie doke. So after some bad jokes, we are back on the main terrace of this beautiful 3-bed 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And I have to say, it was a real pleasure today to do this show again. The weather is what it is at the moment. It's a little bit grayish. It was already gray yesterday. Temperature-wise, at the moment, we are around 14 degrees. It's pretty stable also during the night. It's not going below 10 degrees. So it's, yeah, for us, it's still winter, no? So that's what it is. Reference 3622, dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. Asking price 84,000 euros, community fees 100 euros per month, including internet, including all the services provided by the community of owners. So this was it for today. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening and following our virtual open houses. And I'm looking forward to see you next week, Thursday, again at 4 o'clock in the UK, and in the Canaries, 5 o'clock Central European time. And don't forget, please participate in our poll to make sure that we get the answers and we can continue in the best way possible. Okie doke. See you soon next week. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.